Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore tax invoice. First, open the Square dashboard on your computer or device. Log into your Square account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Invoices section on the left sidebar. Click on Invoices to view your list of existing invoices. Locate the invoice you want to restore. If the invoice is archived, look for the Archive tab at the top of the page. Click on the Archive tab to see your archived invoices. Find the specific invoice that you wish to restore. Hover over the invoice and look for the options available. Click on the More button, usually represented by 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select the Restore option. Confirm your choice to restore the invoice. After restoring, return to the main invoices page. Check to ensure that the invoice is now listed among your active invoices. Review the restored invoice for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to the invoice details. Save any changes made to the invoice. Now, you can use this restored invoice for better tax deductions. Ensure your invoices are organized for future reference. This will help simplify your tax filing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.